Chapter 1 Medieval India The Centers of Power ഡൽഹി സുൽത്താനേറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉദയം മുതൽ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഒന്നാം സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ സമരം വരെ, അതായത് മുഗൾ സാമ്രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ അവസാനം വരെയുള്ള മധ്യകാല ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ആവേശകരമായ ചരിത്രകഥകളാണ് ഈ പാഠഭാഗത്തിൽ പറയുന്നത്. Which mountain range is located in the southwest of Delhi? Aravalli. Which river helped Delhi in water transport and agriculture? The river Yamuna. Early name of Delhi? Dilika. First dynasty that made Delhi as a seat of power? Tama. The ruler of Gaur who established domination over Delhi? Muhammad of Gaur. The dynasty that Qutbuddin Aibak established? Mamluk dynasty. Last king of Chauhan dynasty? Prithviraj Chauhan. Who was the only woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate? Sultana Razia. Which dynasty is also known as the slave dynasty? Mamluk dynasty. Which was the dynasty that established power in Delhi after the Mamluk dynasty? Khalji dynasty. Who was the most prominent ruler of the Khalji dynasty? Alauddin Khalji. Which region was first conquered by Alauddin Khalji after taking power as Delhi ruler? Gujarat. Name the ruler who started the Mughal rule. Babur. Name the battle that led to the establishment of the Mughal rule. Battle of Panipat. In which year the first Battle of Panipat was fought? 1526. Who was the most prominent Mughal ruler? Akbar. Who adopted the Mansabdari system? Akbar. Author of Akbarnama? Abdul Fazal. Whose period did the Mughal Empire expand the most? Aurangzeb. Who was the founder of the Bahmani Empire? Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah. Who founded the Maratha Empire? Shivaji. Name the Maratha ruler who took the title of Chhatrapati. Shivaji. Name the capital of the Maratha kingdom. Pune. Which period was known as the Sultanate period? Common Era 1206 to Common Era 1526. Who was Abdurrazak? A Persian traveler. Longest river in India? Ganga. River Yamuna originates from Yamunotri in Uttarakhand. Which mountain ranges prevent the enemies from attacking Delhi? Aravalli. Which group the Rajputs belong to? Kshatriya group. Delhi became an important commercial center under which Rajputs? The Tamars and the Chauhans. Who introduced Tanka and Jital coins? Iltutmish. Who transferred the capital from Delhi to Devagiri? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. What was the given name for Devagiri? Daulatabad. Which were the kingdoms in southern India? Chola kingdom, Vijayanagara kingdom, Bahmani kingdom. Important Chola rulers: Rajaraja Chola, Rajendra Chola. Why the Chola rulers were able to expand the empire outside India? Cholas had a powerful navy. Sri Lanka, Malaysia and Indonesian islands, Sumatra, Java, Borneo, were parts of which empire? Chola. Which dynasties ruled the Vijayanagara Empire? Saluva, Tuluva. Capital of Vijayanagara Empire? Hampi on the Tungabhadra River. Which region was known as the rice bowl of South India. Raichur region. Which mountains gave Maratha kingdom geographical and natural protection? Vindhya Satpura. Who established Delhi as the seat of power in 1206? Qutbuddin Aibak. Who imported horses from Iraq and strengthened the military power? Alauddin Khalji. Who defeated Ibrahim Lodi and captured Delhi? Babur. 4 regions that were under the control of Akbar. Delhi, Kabul, Bihar, Kashmir. Who were established the Vijayanagara kingdom? Who was the major ruler? Harihara and Bukka. Krishnadevaraya was the major ruler. Name the battle that led to the decline of Sultanate rule. First Battle of Panipat in 1526. What was the military system that adopted by Akbar the Great for the expansion of the Mughal Empire? Mansabdari system. Name the Mughal emperor who ruled from 1658 to 1707. Aurangzeb.